How you doing, folks? This is Peter at the Shalom Peace, and today I'm making a barbecue rub for, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do chicken yet or what, probably chicken. And but this is gonna be my barbecue seasonings, signature barbecue seasonings. Cardamom seed, fennel, nutmeg, of course curry. The salt and pepper is like a 3-to-1, 3 parts salt, 1 part pepper, and cinnamon stick. Now, these things are gonna be ground together, and then we will incorporate those with honey, lemon, olive oil. Before we place it onto the chicken itself, we will basically coat the chicken with baking soda, because in barbecue, you don't want to use, flour, because it'll just burn. But this baking soda will still provide a nice crispy skin while barbecuing. So, and then there's my grinder right there. We'll put that all together in just a little bit. Okay, when you get done grinding all of the spices, you should end up with something like that. I definitely scaled back the cardamom and cinnamon. Only 1 whole seed of cardamom, about a half stick of cinnamon. And then of course we'll prep the meat with this, we'll dry off the meat with this cornstarch. I'm thinking I will barbecue it first and then glaze with this honey oil. That's what I'm thinking. So what I'm doing here is I'm leaving the corn husks that I took off the corn, and I'm exposing the corn so I can get some char on it. A lot of people don't realize that you can get a lot of steam from the husk. Usually I just leave the husk on and it steams the corn. But now I am going to
turn it into popcorn.
No, yeah, it turns into popcorn. Yeah. But anyway, I want, because it's Tikka masala, it's Indian, I want to get some scorch on the corn this time, so that's my story. So I'm gonna put the barbecue glaze on, and then I'm going to, actually what I'm going to do is toss this. Well, I don't even need to toss it. I'm just gonna roll it around a little bit, get the glaze on here. And this is that Tikka glaze that we're talking about. Let me plate it up right here behind me.
Try again.
So
sorry.
I'm gonna plate this real quick. Got the corn behind me. And this has been tossed in our glaze that we explained earlier. Boom. And then I'm gonna place some corn on here. I like to twist it like that. So we're gonna do a protein and value, what do they call those people that do the keto or something like that? I forget.
I have no idea. Keto doesn't eat carbs?
Yeah, I don't think they eat carbs, yeah.
I thought they ate rice. Is
to
rice not a carb?
Rice is a carb, potatoes a carb.
In keto diets, they eat
flour.
rice, don't they? No, they probably avoid it. I guess, I don't know.